It smells really good.
I'm curious.
I think it smells absolutely horrible. I'm sorry, I like the sweet stuff.
Hazelnut's not sweet. French vanilla.
Yeah, but I don't like really.
Or French roast, whatever.
Vanilla.
Ah! So I got the coffee. It is black. Just like you drink it. And I'm gonna drink the whole thing.
The word is out, this town can hardly breathe.
Got this though. And hopefully that'll make it a little more bearable. Don't judge me.
So,
I'm not judging.
okay, so we didn't warn you that the coffee was hot, but does that mean we should warn you that ice cream is cold?
Do I need to warn you that my fist will hit your face? I can't tell you how tempted I am to take a scoop of ice cream and stir it into the coffee to see if it'll make it taste better. But you said it had to be black. This ice cream is so good. Okay, here we go. My first real sip of coffee. God, I hate you. Oh my god. Get it out! Get it out! Oh!
That's what she said.
Touche. I think I'm gonna have to just like take a sip, take a bite. Oh, oh god! Oh my god! How do you drink this?
Mini,
I think I'm gonna go ahead and empty this garbage can because I might need it.
Is it really that bad?
yes. Here, I'm gonna I didn't eat what you want, and then we'll just share or whatever.
That's why you get
Oh, Meggie. Yeah, Meggie. Barbecue chicken.
I still have that much left.
Are you gonna answer questions?
Nobody gave me any questions.
The thing is that she was so vague on a lot of things that she was insinuating. Like Dumbledore being gay. A lot of people did not pick up on that.
What? You didn't hear about
You
that?
heard this?
Oh my god.
And she thought that she was being very obvious with Grindelwald.
Wait. What is this?
Dumbledore and Grindelwald were in love. You know what's sad? This video is probably going to have more views than any other because I'm going to put torture as a tag. I am going to vomit. Going to vomit.
Make you laugh. Explain this.
Oh, I can smell it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it.
Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it!
I'll shoot you.
I am at gunpoint.
At your own gun.
You know you like it.
I really might throw up.
I'm just here for support.
She's a very good finder. Here's to Hufflepuff.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't want to drink it. Look at that. Look at that. It's almost gone. It's almost, I swear. I honestly don't know if I can finish it. Like, pride wants me to finish it. Stomach might have to veto that. I just can't bring myself to take another sip of coffee. You know, maybe I would be more hyper if I wasn't so dead tired before this because I feel like energized as if it was a normal day. I can taste the coffee like in the back of my throat. I can't tell you how badly I want to just pour out this coffee and then be like, done. I will not do that. I am putting my life in danger for this vlog project because I believe in it. It doesn't really have a point and it doesn't really have a purpose. It's kind of like us. To the death of World Suck.
It's really epic.
Last sip. Shut up! To you, to the tangents,
He picked me up with his jacket.
and to stars in New York City.
When I ran in the hallway area, like he picked up his jacket and picked me off the ground.
I'm done!
And his hands
Yes!
I need to take care of my ice cream now.
You have 2 hours
Standing ovation.
That took me 2 hours, 5 minutes, and 53 seconds. I'm really excited for you to mess up so that I can punish you. It's on. I'll see you next week. Don't forget to be awesome. I have to pee.
I'll be right back.